Water bottle flip. Okay, we need to go and get it.
Landed it. This is actually the dumbest thing we've ever done, Logan.
You're the... Screw off. Stop. That's gonna hit me, dude.
It's like Donkey Kong.
How far up do you think we are?
About like 20 feet.
Okay, for every second this drops, that means it's a mile, alright?
Okay.
1, 2, dude, we're like 2 miles up. Dude, that person in that car is probably looking at us right now. We look like idiots.
What are the views?
You're going slower than I am, dude.
We're halfway there.
Whoa! Living on a prayer. Is that like the only verse of the song you know?
Yeah.
Same. You shall not pass!
Hey, Steven?
What? Wait, why did I respond to that? Stay back! Ah! Ah! Did you just kick it down the hill? That was a good Powerade. Now you've just put like tetanus in it. No, stop.
How do you know?
Yeah, back off. Oh, dude, that rock. Okay, hold on. We need to go down and kick that off.
Are you mental? Fall. Because once that rock comes down, you have nothing to put your feet. Keep on doing it. Oh, it's coming.
Ah! Oh, no!
Oh, this one's gonna come. Logan, this one's coming.
Ah!
You destroyed the rock.
Yeet. 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 Yeet.
Oh.
Come on and get in, the water's fine. Ah, cramp! Oh, wow! That's not fun. No, 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 no. I just got a cramp. Ow. Ow. Oh, dang. That's pretty insane. I don't know if I'd risk doing that, you know? I mean,